What's going on, guys? So right now I'm at the tin off here in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I'm trying to stay composed here. So we went to dinner last night, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if the door didn't shut. I don't know if someone broke into the room or what happened. But someone ended up getting into the room, and I had all my camera equipment, my backpack, my cameras, my mics, my GoPros, my editing laptop. So I guess during dinner, when we were gone, someone came in and they just took it all. I think the frustrating thing, is that I try very hard at what I do, and I might not be the best at it, but I do give it my all and my heart into my video production and helping people grow and do well. And I think it breaks my heart more that there's just that kind of evil out there in the world, just that don't care. I'm trying to yeah, so I know I was a little bit of a mess just a minute ago, but there was like all my camera equipment, my laptop, my camera, my mics, everything is just gone. And I use that equipment on a daily basis. I run my live streams off of it. I do everything I do for the channel, and all the production I do was all with me. So I'm telling you this not for a sob story, but I'm telling you this because that stuff took me over 3 years to acquire. You know, it was saving and earning and sacrifice, personal sacrifice. It's gonna take me some time, and that's why I'm making this video, is because you're not gonna see me producing any videos anymore. I'm starting back from square one. I mean, I'm recording this on my iPhone because that's literally all I have right now. So I want to thank everyone that's helped out over the channel over the years, you know, from the very beginning, and I don't plan on stopping. I don't plan on that at all. It's a blow, you know. It definitely feels like you take the wind out of your sails, but I'm gonna, you know, you just start over and just move forward, and you don't let the darkness like taint you. You know what I mean? So I mean, I know it's upsetting to me. It hits me personally. So it's like, I know there's other things in the world worse shit than some guy that makes videos that got his equipment stolen. But yeah, yeah, I did the math. I didn't even realize it. It ended up being like $4,600 worth of equipment just gone. Like, that's how much it would be to replace everything that I lost, and it's an aggressive blow for sure. So yeah. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not leaving. I'm not done with the channel. I'm not by any means. You know, you push on and you move forward, and unfortunately sometimes in life things like this happen, but you just gotta keep pushing forward, and that's what I plan on doing. But if you don't see, you know, the live streams, if you don't see, you know, me from the shop, if you don't see videos popping up, and that's why I'm not quitting what I'm doing. It's just I gotta start over from square one again. So Just bear with me, and everyone that's been a part of the channel and supported the channel, thank you very much. Those that have believed in me, the guys over at Tint Wiz, the guys over at Film Slingers, Soak Shield, and anyone else that I've worked with over the years, I thank you very much for everything that you guys have done as well, and know that I'm going to be back in the game as soon as I can. I just got to bypass this and move forward. So thank you very much, guys, and I will be back soon. All right, love you guys.